Hey guys, Angel here, and guess what time it is? It's Saturday morning premiere time! And yeah, I know, a couple Saturdays ago, I promised you that I would open this box, but I just haven't had time to get into it, and I'm about to get into it right now. And this box came from Canada. And you guessed it, came from Big Red Bullion. Here's all my certificates. All my certificates of authenticity. Got the number 2. I got a prototype. Another prototype. Another prototype. Another prototype. Another prototype. Another prototype. And guess what? 2 more prototypes. Haha. So yeah, most of my stuff is prototypes. I got the first one. Oh man, there's another one in there too. So let's get into it. I kind of forgot what I got. So you'll find out when I find out. Oh yeah, I know I know a lot of what's up in here. Can you guys guess what's up in here? Dun dun dun. The Simpsons. It looks like we have Lisa Simpson right here. Her head looks really, really cool. It's like super sparkly, and you can see like all the dimensions, all the details. So there's pretty cool. I got Lisa. So I'm pretty sure the whole other Simpson gang is gonna be here. I'm not only doing sets in like the coin series and coin sets. I'm doing the poured silver sets. What's next? It's Krusty the Clown. Man, he's got a fat bottom. Clowning around. I don't know, that's 4.1 ounces. I mean, he is kind of hefty. He's kind of hefty. Let's see if Lisa stands up. I think Lisa's head's too heavy to make... I think her head's too heavy for her to stand up. Nope. She's got a big head. Her head makes her too heavy. So that's some heavy metal. I'm sure y'all know a bunch of people out there that have big heads also. Ooh, this one feels like there's more than one. It's all furry. It's in all this furry stuff. Everything's so furry. There's another one. There might be 1 or 2 more in this one too. I gotta pull out. I gotta rip it out of the fur. Must be some. It's like insulation. Oh no! It's asbestos, man. Where's my mask? That would be messed up if this was like asbestos. Alright, I got 3 more. The Simpsons. 3 more cool, The Simpsons. Let's see, which one do you guys think's next? If you guessed Maggie, then you were right. She's got her little pacifier. You can see the bow on her head. So we got Maggie. And Maggie stands up. I guess Lisa's just so smart that her brain won't let her stand up. Haha. What's next? It's Bart. Eat my shorts. So it's the Bart. It's Bart Simpson. Eat my shorts, dude. Let's see. No, Bart won't stand either. Bart can't stand. Guess who's next, guys? Don't. It's Homer. It's Homer. All right, it's Homer. It's Homer time. Don't. He's so rounded. He's so rounded. There's Homer booty. 3.2 ounces of dopeness. What do you guys think is next? What do you think? What do you think? It's like cotton candy that you can't eat. Oh, and I dropped it. It dropped right out. Haha. Here's one of the missing pieces to my South Park collection. Hello, guys. Howdy ho, guys. It's the Christmas Pooh. I think it's Mr. Hanky. I think that's what they call him. Mr. Hanky, the Christmas Pooh. So I got the Christmas Pooh from my South Park. That goes with my South Park collection that I've already got. So that's pretty cool. I got the Christmas Pooh right there. And I got some more furry stuff. I think it's my pencil. What do you guys think? I think you're right, Angel. It's your big red bullion pencil. It's my pencil. It's my big red bullion number 2 pencil. See, it says number 2. Number 2, who stepped in it? Wipe it off your shoe. But yeah, it's my pencil. It's my pencil. Check it out. So that's pretty awesome. How many more do I got? All right, there's a Millhouse. Millhouse. So Millhouse must be in one of these. Let's see how many's left. We got 3 left. And I'm not letting you see me struggle. I'm struggling off a camera. I actually think. All right, it's Millhouse. It's Millhouse! And guess what Millhouse was made from? If you watched Big Red's cringe video, this Millhouse was made from Libertatas. So, this Millhouse was made from Libertads. Yep, he stands. He stands. He stands. He stands. He stands. He stands. So far, Bart, Lisa, and the Pooh are the ones that do not stand. And then I'm going to count up my COAs and make sure that I got everything out of the furry blobs. I got everything out of the furry blobs. So what do you guys think next? Who's missing? Marge. Marge is missing. Oh, look, she's even got a little bit of, like, texture on her skirt there. Marge is large and in charge. Her legs are so small, I figured she probably won't stand. Don't stand so close to me. Don't stand so close to me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you in here?
Doing some stuff, man. Doing some work.
All right, well, I guess I saved the best for last. This is a big boy, chunky monkey. It's 6.33 ounces. Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Bow, chicka, bow, bow. It's an ace of spades, and it's like super high reliefness. Check that out. Woohoo! Check it out. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, here, let me hold that for you a minute.
Hey, don't you take off with that. I think
Oh,
I
no.
think Keith's trying to steal this one.
I might have to get that one. That one's mine. Tell her, guys, in the comments below if I should get it or her.
Yeah. In the comments below, let me know if I should be nice and let Keith have this.
Say yes.
Say no. You say yes. He says no. All right, let me count all my things. All right, we got Millhouse, ace of spades, pencil, Mr. Hanky, the Christmas poo. Then we got Homer, we got Lisa, we got Marge, we got Krusty. Krusty's right there. I don't want to cover up my cool pencil. Krusty. And then we got Maggie right here, sucking on her pacifier. And Bart. All right. I guess I have all my stuff. I guess it's all here. One last chance to look at all this cool stuff. And let me know which one you like the best. Well, of course, you know I have the host, Simpsons. Hey, what are you doing? Get out. Get out of there. Get. Okay, and Keith's trying to steal it. So you guys have to let me know if Keith deserves that awesome thing right there. Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I will see you out there. Hey, where you going with that? Bye-bye.